Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday afternoon, July 2nd, 2024, and we've curated a fantastic selection of industry and manufacturing news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Springbird celebrates significant growth and expands reach across the U.S. Springbird, a leading provider of heavy-duty transit solutions, celebrates remarkable growth and expansion over the past 6 months, delivering transit buses to key locations across the U.S., including Texas, Chicago, New York, and California. Springbird now boasts over 100 heavy-duty transit buses with fleet likeness. This uniformity enhances maintenance efficiency and operational smoothness. CEO Elliott Carson highlights the company's commitment to quality, reliability, and innovation. Springbird is now the second largest supplier of certified pre-owned heavy-duty transit vehicles in North America, offering comprehensive rehabilitation services and advanced technology solutions. With a rich history dating back to 1943, Springbird continues to uphold a legacy of excellence and customer satisfaction in the transit industry, looking forward to expanding reach and delivering exceptional value to customers.
South Fork Instruments launches ChemTrack DCP-007 for precise color measurement. South Fork Instruments, a leader in precise measurement solutions, has launched the ChemTrack DCP-007, an industrial fiber optic colorimeter designed to enhance color measurement accuracy in various industrial applications. The DCP-007 utilizes dual wavelength technology to compensate for factors like turbidity, providing reliable color assessments critical for product quality and regulatory compliance. With features like dual wavelength precision, a robust design, extended measurement range, and configurable options, the DCP-007 offers a cost-effective solution for ongoing color monitoring. John Daly, Technical Director at South Fork Instruments, highlights the instrument's ability to meet the evolving needs of modern industries and deliver consistent, accurate measurements for quality control and environmental compliance. For more information on the ChemTrack DCP-007, contact South Fork Instruments or visit their website. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.